This video shows you the steps I take within a few days of pre-pooing my hair. Do you want to see how I pre-poo my hair? Then watch the video linked on screen. Hello and welcome to Naturally High, the channel that helps you grow your 4A, 4B and especially 4C hair to longer lengths. Step 1. Rinsing. My pre-pooed hair is covered in coconut oil and conditioner. I put my hair into these loose twists whilst detangling it in preparation for wash day. Washing my hair in these loose twists, also called in-between twists, prevents my hair from getting knottier and allows me to sport stretched, seemingly loose hair with little effort after washing. The first step before cleansing is to thoroughly rinse my hair under the shower. My hair has been in these twists for around 5 days. I often sport the same twists comfortably even after washing, as they can be conveniently styled into braid outs, buns and other updos. Rinsing one side at a time allows me to focus on each section. I gently rub the pads of my fingers against my scalp under the running water to loosen build-up. And this is what happens when you shower with the curtain open. Does your bathroom also get messy on wash day? Let me know so I know I'm not the only one. Step 2. Cleansing. After rinsing my hair thoroughly, I apply my cleanser. This is either a clay mixture containing kaolin clay, apple cider vinegar and tea tree oil, or this co-wash from Aunt Jackie's. Very few cleansers remove build-up from my scalp without knotting my 4C hair. These two do though. Which ones do you use? Let me know in the comment section below. I apply my cleanser to my scalp and really work it in until I'm satisfied. I normally use my scalp massaging brush at this stage, but I didn't bring it to Trinidad where I filmed this video. When I'm satisfied, I rinse the cleanser out of my hair thoroughly. I work down the length of my hair, not against it. This action reduces knotting. It looks like I'm suffering, but don't worry, I'm not.
I washed my hair twice because there was a lot of build-up on my scalp, and now it's clean.
And then she talk a little talking on my ear, and it a go like, Rasta is my darling. That's all she saying to me. She telling me say, Rasta is my darling. That's all she saying to me.
My deep conditioner is the jojoba manoi from Eden Body Works. It leaves my hair feeling soft and doesn't worsen my knot situation. It's thick and creamy, so it feels great whilst in my hair. What deep conditioner have you been using lately? I apply this all over my hair, starting with my ends. During application, I squeeze the conditioner to help it coat all the strands. This is especially important since my hair is twisted. Once all my hair is covered, I twist my hair.
Follow me back to a yard. Me say follow me back to a yard. Baby, now the thing get nice. Everybody all I met, so the thing just right, yeah. Play a couple tunes, we dance all night. Your body ragamuffin.
When I get to the ends, I hold my index finger about 2 inches away from the tips and wrap them around the body of the twist as shown. This step helps prevent knotting at the ends. Do you do something similar to prevent your ends from acting up? Heat.
Hey, you saw me sit under the hooded dryer, but what you didn't see was how smoky the socket got a few seconds after I plugged it in, and you didn't smell the noxious gases that were coming from that socket. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to continue using my hooded dryer. It's kind of been sitting in my bedroom here for years and I imagine the plug is rusted or there's something wrong. So I've just let my body heat up my deep conditioner, so it's been in my hair for around half an hour now, and the effects will probably not be as noticeable as they normally are when I use my steamer. But there are festivities going on downstairs, it's Christmas time, there's cake baking, and I want to go down and join in that. So let's continue with my wash day. I'm going to go under the shower and rinse this out.
Rinsing. I used tepid water to rinse the deep conditioner out of my hair. While washing, I always smoothen my hair and work along the length of my strands to avoid generating knots.
I haven't shown oil rinsing in a while, so I'm thrilled to be able to show it to you today. I'm taking a bowl with some extra virgin olive oil in it. I'm going to put the olive oil onto my hair, focusing on the ends, and then I'm going to rinse it out. This helps my hair retain some moisture. It kind of helps to reverse the stripped feeling that my hair tends to have after I wash it. And don't get me wrong, my hair still feels stripped even though I've deep conditioned and even though I oil rinse, but it feels considerably less stripped when I oil rinse, which is why I make it my business to do this every single time I wash my hair. Uh-oh.
She telling me say, Rasta is my darling. That's all she saying to me. You don't feel worry about the next girl, baby. Cause when the night I'm getting cold and she wants someone to hold, she have the link with me. The little dog I kill. Oh, when the night I'm getting cold and she wants someone to hold, you have the link with me. The little dog I kill. Hey, little African dancer, dancer, dancer. Me love how you dancing.
And now I'm going to rinse the oil out.
You know you're asking, little African dancer. Hey, me love how you dancing. Me say you make me go ginger. Hey, me want to know what you're asking, that you telling me say follow me.
And now I'm going to wring out as much water as possible. And I do that by squeezing, like so.
Couple tunes we dance all night. You are the ragamuffin, I can see it in her eyes. Yeah. Me and the victim, and yeah, you are the crook. The way you see my heart, you are feeling the boy you shook. Yeah, yeah. You are me met my right by the way that you look. You make me want to study your heart with it like a bee. You are me on it, love it. Take the little me love it. Rasta boy not dance, but you make me push up.
And now it's time to dry my hair. Normally I use a t-shirt, but I didn't bring a t-shirt with me to Trinidad that I could use for this purpose, so I'm using this towel, which actually has pretty gentle fibres, and I am gently wrapping the towel around my hair and sapping up the moisture that way. So you can see I don't agitate my hair with a towel, I just place the towel around my hair and squeeze out the moisture that way. I think a lot of people do this unknowingly. They unknowingly add loads of knots to their hair after washing it by taking a towel and really rubbing it like this. I've seen all kinds of people do this to their hair and then comb it and then they just break their hair afterwards. No. Gentle towel drying will save you lots of time and lots of hair. And the next steps will take me from this state to my hair in small plaits. I'm just going to take sections of around this size and plait them. I forgot to mention I'll be using castor oil as well, so I will apply castor oil to my ends and then do the wrapping technique you've just seen.
Raskin, little African dancer. I love how you dancing. Me say you make me go ginger. Me want to know the raskin, well let me know. Me mother one time you put me in a party, you say me not feel go nowhere. And if you tell me say you need
one side down, one to go. It should go without saying that at night time I will wear a satin scarf on my head. If my hair is still damp, then I'll have a towel on top of my pillow to prevent the moisture from seeping into my pillow, because that's a bit gross. So the scarf, then the towel, and then the pillow.
And this is the final result. I hope you found this interesting and informative. Let me know in the comment section below how your routine differs from mine and what you have learnt from this video. Until next time, bye!
At night I'm getting cold, and she wants someone to hold you, feeling with me. The little dog like Quieres.